Hi, I'm Phil McCaffrey, and this is part 2 of Chapter 21, Symbol Functions. This worksheet is made out of old SAT problems, and it's excellent for you to practice on and master these type of problems. The fourth problem is a number 5. It's a little bit hard. It's not super easy, but it's a little bit hard to look at. It's not a big problem, but it inserts exponents in the form of variables. And so I'll read the questions. For some positive integers a and b, let a squared b be defined by a squared b is equal to a times b, a to the b. Which of the following is equal to 125? Notice the mistake I made. That's going to play in the mistake I made even as reading it, which is a times b. Well, which of the following is equal to 125 is the question. So 125. The answer is answer choice B, which is 5 square 3. 5 raised to the third power is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Please memorize that 5 cubed is 125. It shows up often. Now here's a little trick that I'd like you to know. And the powers of 2's and 3's and 5's are very important. Two answer choices, A and D, show 3 as the base exponent. Pay attention to what the base is. Since it asks what is equal to 125, the base must be a multiple of 5. It must be an odd multiple of 5 for that matter. 5 in the digit must have 5 in the base. 5 is the only number that produces an exponential power with an exponential factor that has a units digit of 5 right here. Okay, let's get a pen back. How about a red one while we're writing? Alright, if we look at 3, notice the powers of 3. 3 to the 1 is 3. 3 to the 2 is 9. 3 to the 3 is 27. 3 to the 4th is 81, and 3 to the 5th repeats this cycle at 243 is 3 to the 5th. The next numbers all have as their units digits 9, 7, 8, 1. 9, 7, 1, 3. Boy, I can't talk today. 9, 7, 1, 3. 9, 7, 1, 3. That is the pattern of the powers of 3. So A and C are automatically eliminated, A and D, because they have 3 as my base. Anything with 3 as a base can't have 5 in the units digit. Now, the other thing about D and E is tricky, and that is 25 to the 3. And I didn't mean to say A times B, but it's very natural to do that. And 25 times 3 is also equal to 125. And that's why they throw that in there as a nice little trap. Okay, moving on to the fifth question, and that is A diamond B is equal to A times B squared. Very much like the last one. And they ask, what is the value of 2 diamond 3? 2 diamond 3. The 2 is where the A is. The 3 is where the B is. So I put a 2 right in the front. I multiply it by B, the 3 squared. 2 times 3 squared is 2 times 9, which equals 18. And that is answer choice C. Moving on. We now have the quantity x comma y comma z, dark triangle, equals x squared plus y squared plus z squared. What is the value of quantity 1 comma 2 comma 3 triangle over 3 comma 2 comma 1 triangle? It's a pretty easy one if you know how to put the symbols in the right place. This is an x, it goes in the front, 1 squared. This is a y, it goes second, 2 squared. This is a z, it goes in the third place, 3 squared. Same thing on the bottom. This is an x, it goes in the front, 3 squared. 2 is a y, 2 squared. 1 is a z, 1 squared. Add them all up. 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared is the same as 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 1 squared. This is equal to 11 over 11, which is equal to 1. and 1 is answer choice C. Alright, that's a 5-minute video. I'm going to wrap it up and have to go to part 3 on this one. I'm Phil McCaffrey. Happy learning.